Rumors have surfaced hinting at a major change to Samsung's update strategy that could upset many of its loyal fans. The buzz centers around the upcoming Android 15 and One UI 7 beta program, with reports suggesting that Samsung might limit its beta testing to only the Galaxy S24 lineup. If true, this move could leave other devices, including the popular Galaxy S23, Galaxy S22, and Galaxy S21, without the chance to experience the beta version. Instead, Samsung could be setting its sights on a direct launch of the stable version of One UI 7 in early February 2024 for these older devices. The tip-off comes from a trusted leaker on the social platform X, formerly Twitter, at Family Tays, who previously leaked a roadmap for the One UI 7.0 beta. According to them, Samsung doesn't intend to push out beta updates to the Galaxy S series either, which would further narrow the pool of devices involved in testing. However, it's not all bad news. Samsung has reportedly committed to rolling out One UI 7 to every eligible Galaxy S smartphone before the end of March 2024. This decision, while disappointing to some, may not be as surprising as it sounds. With the Galaxy S25 on the horizon and its release just weeks away, Samsung appears to be streamlining its update process. The company is reportedly focusing all its attention on perfecting One UI 7 for the Galaxy S24 lineup before the public release. For those waiting for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 to join the beta program, there's still no word on whether these foldable devices will follow the same fate as their predecessors. One of the key factors in this rumor is the fast-tracking of the beta process for the Galaxy S24. Samsung could push out the third One UI 7 beta update sometime between December 30, 2023 and January 6, 2024. After that, we could see up to 3 additional beta updates before the stable version of One UI 7 begins rolling out. The beta phase will be relatively short, aiming for a quick transition to the stable build, which will likely be available just before the official Galaxy S25 launch in February. Samsung's decision, if accurate, makes sense when you look at the bigger picture. The One UI 7 beta program has launched later in the year than expected, which might have created a logistical challenge for the company. With the Galaxy S25 unveiling just around the corner, Samsung could be prioritizing efficiency to ensure the new software is ready for the next flagship. While skipping out on beta testing for older devices may upset users who are eager to try the latest features early, it's a calculated move to ensure the update rollout is swift and smooth for the newest Galaxy S models. After all, Samsung's priority is likely to be the flagship devices that will take center stage in the months ahead. As of now, we can only speculate on how this change will be received by Samsung users worldwide. While some will undoubtedly be disappointed, others might appreciate the company's focus on delivering a polished, stable version of One UI 7 without unnecessary delays. It's clear that Samsung's attention is on the future of its software, and the Galaxy S24 series could be the first to experience it in its full glory. Of course, as with any rumor, nothing is set in stone. Samsung could still change its course, and we'll be keeping a close eye on any updates. If anything new emerges, we'll make sure to let you know right away. In the meantime, stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512 gigabytes and 1 TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3 in production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM in the base model, with a 16 gigabytes RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 gigabytes/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.